slides are so cool. This is so much.
What are you cheesing for?
Mama, I see pink slide right there.
See a pink slide?
Mom, did you see the pink slide right there?
I see it.
This is so cool.
This is
And
cool.
if you go all the way at the top,
That's a big slide, buddy.
I want to go up there.
You do?
Yes.
Okay.
I am a big boy.
You're a big boy? You're brave?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Water park.
Water park.
Dude.
Water park.
I want to get my cabana.
What? Jonathan! Hi! Jonathan! Good job, buddy! Watch out, Mama gonna get you!
Here we go. Ready?
We're about to go so fast.
All right, go.
We're gonna go so fast. You ready? Yeah, it's gonna suck us in. Kick your feet. Oh no, Jonathan, we're gonna get wet. Oh no, Jonathan! I didn't get it. We're going so fast. It got wet. Oh no.
Oh no, you're in the camera. And then you see my feet.
Want to see your feet? Oh no.
This side.
Which
This
side?
This side.
Which side, Jonathan? Oh, gotta get ready. Uh-oh, Jonathan. This is a fast side. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, it's a slow part, huh? You're spinning around? Oh no, Jonathan. Which way are you gonna go? You gotta go right.
I passed you.
Hey, you're fast. Good. Bye. Bye, Jonathan. You're winning? Now who's winning? Oh no, oh no. Oh, get out.
Oh my God!
You missed it. Here it goes. Is it fast? Done. Was that fun? Hey, you didn't warn me before you were coming.
Huh?
You didn't warn me before you were coming.
Oh, again?
All right, Jonathan, gotta get out.
There, they're going to the river.
Oh, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit
Go,
down.
go.
I'm gonna push you to the edge, okay?
Jonathan.
Jonathan, was that one fun?
You got a certain weight. Under 300.
Jonathan, was that fun?
Barely made it. Here you come! Pick your feet up! Pick your feet up! Lay down! Donna! You did it! Woohoo! Wanna go again?
Was that so fast? Yeah, go.